Good morning, everyone. This is Dominic from D&M Racing Pigeon Loft. Today is March 5th. I'm on my 7th release for my training for my old board races for 2014. As you can see, back there is Mauna Loa. Way in the background is Maui, Kohala Mountains, Mauna Kea. So right now the wind is blowing east northeast 6 miles an hour. Temperature is 62.9, and the miles they're flying back to the loft is 41.268. Right about now it's about 6:45, so I'm gonna release them, and they've been here resting for about 10 minutes. Let them race. There they go. Nice morning. Getting the barons right now. Way back there. The Mota's Kohala side. They get the wind against them right now. Kind of, so. Okay, one more turn. Oh yeah, kind of chilly this morning. Hopefully they may come back because they're not flying too high. And there they go. Look at one bird falling back. Yeah, they're still flying. This is Dominic from D&M Racing Pigeon Loft, training for 2014 Old Bird race. Until next time.